what Keith said about customer service in Atlanta, it's true. Hello friends, happy Vlogmas. I'm starting my video, well, my Vlogmas series with some travel content because holiday travel, it's needed. Finding a way to pack everything into your suitcase. The tips are needed as well. So enjoy the video, you guys. Cheers to my first year participating in Vlogmas. I'm hella excited. I decided to do this to challenge myself. It's like I'm challenging myself to one, post every single day, and two, get comfortable and in the habit of actually vlogging like I am right now, and not just presenting like, oh, today's the makeup and this and X, Y, and Z, or at least have like an intro of a regular vlog. Ooh, Krispy Kreme. Should I get Krispy Kreme? Ooh. Should I get Krispy Kreme? Ooh, I don't know. All right, what donut person are you with Krispy Kreme, you guys? Tell me, tell me, tell me. You guys, I finally got some food. I probably walked around. Sorry this light is so bad here. I probably, or is it bad because of my shades? Yeah. I probably walked around for 25 minutes looking for food. I stopped at 2 different restaurants. Let me tell you what Keith said about customer service in Atlanta. It's true. It's true. 2 places I got out of line because of customer service was trash. One lady, she, you know, y'all know me. Hi, good morning, how are you? And she said in there like, I kid you not, just like that. And so I said, you know, I didn't think anything of it at first. So I was like, okay, it's early. And then I asked what type of cheese do they put on their bagels because I love provolone and Swiss. And so she stares, cheddar. She was just like that. So what did I do? And then she goes, cheddar. What did I do? Okay. And I left. Like, customer service will turn you off completely. And then this other spot I went in, you know, I see the QR code on the table and I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. I scan it, I sit down and everything. The waitress, she comes friendly, but she invaded my space. She said, you got the menu up? And she looks over at my phone. Oh, let me just do that for you, and taps it to skip me to the menu. The intentions were good, but in my space, all up in my phone. I said, oh, wow. She said, oh, I'm sorry. I said, so if you need anything, I'm Marianne. And I was like, so that was just too much. And I was like, Then I tried Chick-fil-A's line, but it was just too long. Then I tried another spot, and I'm considering putting the names on the screen. I'm not gonna say them out loud, but this one was like Burger No Bread Atlanta or something. I was in line. What turned me off, one of the employees who was bringing out the sandwiches, the breakfast sandwiches, instead of saying, you know, calling out a ticket number or something, she yells, who ordered a sandwich and ain't come get it? I was like, is she yelling that out to people? What? It's just, I couldn't believe it. I was like, there's no way. And it was what she said, who ordered a sandwich and ain't come get it? I was just like, and this lady, she was like, well, like, what number is it? Like, what type of sandwich is it? And I was like, let me get out of this line. So then I saw Starbucks and I said, you know what? Hold on, let me make sure I'm not bored. So then I saw Starbucks. I said, you know what? Maybe I should stop there and get another breakfast sandwich. And then one of the employees is yelling, "If y'all waiting for an order, you need to be in front of the black line, not behind it." I was like, well, why y'all yelling at people? Can't you just ask? Like, And then where I got this taco from, I almost walked away. The cook, his back was turning. He turned and he said, "Good morning." And I'm like, but it wasn't very long. And so one of the other employees who was on her phone off to the side, she called him, and then he turned around again and said, "Are you ready?" He said, "Yes." And so ordered and everything. And so when I got to her, who's bringing me out, not pick the two. I said, "Good morning, how are you?" "Oh, good morning, I'm good. I like your hair." She was like, "You know what, Jesus?" I said, "Wow." Okay, I was like, "Thank you." And I think she caught my vibe, and then she started smiling. "Oh, I hope we had a great day." Because listen, in my head, I was like, "Yelp, I'm coming today, full force, full freaking force." But I really just wanted some food to put on my belly before I eat this Krispy Kreme donut. And I did see a fresh, healthy spot, but all their foods were cold. The one I thought I like would actually be good, it had ranch in it. I don't like ranch. My Krispy Kreme donut, I wanted it warm. We ain't got no way of doing it. I said, "You know what? When we get out of Atlanta," that I am always okay with the layover in Atlanta at night because I go to PF Chang's and eat. I always have a great experience there. So, traveling Chronicles in Atlanta. Oh, I was still filming. Yeah, they called Comfort Plus ages ago. Good thing Delta offered to check my carry-on for free, because like, and that's the thing, I know if I did have my carry-on, I would have been like, "Oh, be careful, like get it on time." So yeah. Alrighty, I made it to my destination. Let me tell you, I just had the worst landing on a plane ever. Like, I'm gonna put a GIF to show you guys how it felt. Like, boom, like a nose landing. I swear it was insane. It was the worst landing in history of me flying, and I've been flying since I was younger. So this is a plane, right? I swear. Okay, this is the runway, this is the plane. I swear. Instead of like a man said, I kid you not. I kid you not at all. Anyhow, I have arrived. It's very fally here. I'm getting a true fall this year. I thought I had a true fall when I went to Boston for a couple of days, but from Oregon to here and all this cool weather, I'm like, okay, let's do this. And the temp right now, and I'm waiting for my bags, by the way, and this is why I don't like checking bags, because I hate this part right here. But the temp right now is 55 degrees. So I'm gonna sit here and rock in this chair like an old lady. But let me tell y'all, I look so cute. And I would stand up, but enough people are already looking at me. And I don't want more people to look at me. But it's great. It's great. So I am ready to warm up my Krispy Kreme donut though. It just needs good like 3.6 seconds and it'll be so good, so good. So like, the baggage hasn't even rang yet, and it's only one baggage majig here. So we'll see. I wonder if I just should end today's vlog here. Anyhow, I'll talk to you guys later, or I may be back to show you my nieces. Ciao. Y'all, who we got? Haley. Yes, ma'am. Say happy Vlogmas.
Happy Vlogmas.
I want to sweet her. Yeah. Oh, what is that? All you want to say? Y'all, I'm in an adult today. I dropped my nieces to school. You guys want to say bye to YouTube? I don't come over here. I don't want them to see the name of the school. No. Hey friends. It's the day after Thanksgiving. We have a few clothes to try on, see what we're gonna, what is it, keep it, or what is it called? What is it? It's gonna be a hit or miss segment. We're gonna start with the Christmas one? Yeah? Okay, we're gonna start with the Christmas outfit. And that one, okay. Do you like it? All right, Haley baby, is this one a hit or is it a miss? Off the camera. You gotta go and try on another outfit? Okay, yeah. Guys, there was some miscommunication. She actually said that it's a perfect. Okay, let's go try on another one. What is it? Is it a hit or miss? Oh, yeah. Is it a hit or miss? It's a hit. I mean, is this a hit or miss? It's a hit? Okay. All right, friends, say hello to Kalia. She's joining us. Say hi. Hi. So she already knows what to do. We're gonna try on outfits and she's gonna tell me what? Yep. All right, so see ya. Here's our first look. All right, Kalia. Tell me, is it a hit or is it a miss?
Hit.
Perfect. Yeah, what is it? Hit or miss?
Hit.
It's a hit? Okay, good. Is it a hit or miss?
Hit.
Perfect. It's a hit. Oh, she really likes this one. She's at her. Okay. What is it giving?
Hit.
Ooh, H-I-T, she said. Okay. Is it giving? Oh, you're not gonna let me ask the question? Oh. Oh, she said whatever it is, it's a hit. Hit or miss?
Hit.
Oh, y'all, Haley don't let me finish no more. Little sleeper, cute. And we have a double here. Kalia, is it hit or miss?
Hit.
Haley, hit or miss? Hit. Okay, you girls, give me some poses together. Cute, cute. Let's take your little butts out.
It's a hit.
It's a hit. Okay. Miss.
Miss.
A miss. She said it's a miss, folks.
I like the show, but I don't like it. Time for a next one.
Yep. What is it?
It's a hit.
It's a what?
A hit.
Say it again, girl. Okay. How we feeling?
Hit.
Okay. Well, we be ready. What's it giving? It's a hit.
It's a drama time.
Cute. Oh, hey. What is it giving? Hit or miss? Hit? What happened to your energy? What is it giving? It's a hit. It's a hit. It's a hit. It's a hit. Hey. What is it giving? Ooh! Hit. Oh, hit. Your pants. Cute. That's her favorite part, you guys. That's cute.
Ooh.
I gotta go back further because you're tall.
It's a hit.
Hey.
Yeah. Oh, her dad said it's a hit. Hey. What is it? Hit or miss? Oh!
I said hit because I like this bow in here.
Okay, it's the details. It's giving details. Okay, yes. Okay, I know that's a right. Hey. It's a what?
Hit.
Okay. What? A hit? Okay.
A hit.
Ooh. Oh. Yeah? You want a photo in this one? Is it a hit or miss? Her sister is stepping in. What is it giving? Hit or miss, Bree?
Hit.
Hit. Kalia, is it a hit for you? Hey. Bree is back in with Haley, baby. Bree, is it a hit or miss? What is it giving?
It's a hit because she had a pink shirt with a blue jeans with her pink socks.
Okay. Haley, hit or miss for you? Hit. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and give a big thumbs up.
Hey friends, we are prepping for game night tomorrow, doing our Walmart pickup order. You ready for game night? Yes? Do you want to say anything in the video? Are you going to be the ultimate winner for game night? Yeah? Okay. We're going to see. So yes, the pickup order includes all of my baking goods. Y'all know I got to do my frosting from scratch because I'm great. What was that? Huh? Oh, I'm not doing it tonight. I'm doing it early in the morning. But y'all know I gotta do my frosting from scratch. Mommy wants the chocolate and mousse. Brie act like I can't see her fingers from the corner of my eye. Mommy wants the same chocolate mousse cake that I made for her and my uncle about 2 years ago. So I'm gonna do that. make some whipped strawberry icing for the cupcake. Maybe do a little surprise in there with real strawberries in there. We'll see. But enjoy the BTS. Enjoy game night. See you guys in the next clip.
Big thumbs up. And don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to comment down below. Bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and give a big thumbs up.